Steve, your everyday guy here, and what we're doing today is we've got our front motor mount that we've just recently installed, and now we're going to adjust our trolling motor. Because if you look at it now, you notice my tiller is here and my propeller is down there, which means if I want to go forward, I'm going to have to turn it all the way around like this. So what I really want is I want my tiller to face towards the boat so I can go forward with it facing that way. Now what I've got here is I've got the Pexmor 86 thrust pound motor, which originally I purchased it for the back of the boat for the powers to be in the main source of motor, as I go through a lot of the lakes that only allow electric motors around here. But I've decided now I want to mount it to the front for a front trolling motor. To do that, all I really need is just one tool, the 4mm Allen wrench. And what I'm going to do is there's a little screw inside there, and then back here there's a bolt. So I'm going to show you a close-up of those real quick. So what you can see right there is right inside there is the bolt, and that's where I'm going to put the Allen wrench. So the Allen wrench is going to go right in there. On the back, right there, you can see the nut that's holding it on. And so I'm going to loosen up the Allen wrench, make sure I don't lose that, and just rotate that head 180 degrees. So what I did is I pulled that bolt out, I rotated my head clockwise. Inside I did twist the wires around a little bit, so I'd use a smaller Allen wrench to kind of move those out of the way as I pushed it back in. Then I tightened it up. So now you'll notice my tiller faces that way, same size my propeller. So now when I'm going forward, it'll be correct. The one thing you want to do too is you want to make sure on your blade that you've got a decent amount of clearance between your boat and your blade. And the reason is that as that blade spins, if it's rubbing against your boat, which it could do because there is a little bit of play here with this mount, it's not the most steady. What you want to make sure is that even when it's all the way back, you're not making contact with your boat. And the reason is that if you are, it's going to rub away your rubber. It could cause you to get a hole in the bottom. That's the last thing you want to do. My name is Steve, and I'm your everyday guy here. Thank you for watching my video. Be sure to like the video and subscribe. If you have any comments, please comment below. I always try to make sure I get all my comments answered. And until I see you next time, have a great time.